Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do love reading for Gemini air sign. This is weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Gemini, your recent past. Oh, what's going on? Definitely you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, particularly Scorpio. Definitely one person in this connection is at some crossroads because they have options. One person in this connection have a lot of options. That's why they don't know what to do, what not to do, what to choose, what not to choose. Definitely. So let's see what is going on in your connection. Definitely there is some confusion. Nine of Cups. Eight of Cups. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, Queen of Swords. Definitely there is some separation going between both of you. One person is walked away in this connection and they cut them off the other person completely. I am getting because one person seeing their options, then automatically another person want to walk away. There is nothing wrong in that because you are not a option. And Nine of Cups. Definitely here Nine of Cups, one person wishing still for this connection but has to walk away even they don't want to. Circumstances. Ace of Wands, the Star. Yeah, still one person. Page of Cups. Yeah, I think you one person in this connection apologizes to another person and want new beginning with that person. Definitely communication. I think Gemini, it could be your person want to apologize you and they want a new beginning with you. I think it's you walked away in this connection. Energy could be vice versa. So I think you walked away in this connection but your person still hoping for this connection and they want to brand new beginning with you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Gemini. Ten of Wands. Yeah, they're feeling very burdened, overburdened. Hangman. Definitely their spiritual awakening. They're stuck right now. Hierophant. Yeah, they want to offer commitment to you. Yeah, Seven of Wands. They don't want to give up on this connection even though there are obstacles in this connection. They know there are obstacles in this connection but they don't want to give up on this connection. They are feeling very burdened. Even though they want to commit to you, they want to offer commitment to you. So let's pull some cards from universe. After you walked away, they realize your worth. Yeah, Ace of Swords, communication, some truth coming out. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, your person want to work on this relationship, Gemini. Final card, Five of Swords. Yeah, they want to end this dispute between both of you. Under the deck, Knight of Wands. They want to come towards you. Definitely a lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. All signs are here. Definitely your person want to commit you and they want to offer long-term commitment to you. If you allow your person, they want to work on this relationship. It ups to you because they are spiritually awakening right now and they know your worth after you walked away. They are seeing your worth. They want to apologize you. Some communication is coming in your way, Gemini. So it's up to you to accept your person offer or not. But they are going to offer the commitment and they want to work on this relationship seriously. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. I hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.